So guys, right now I'm short selling Kotak back in the market level around 1722 to 1723 level in the market level in intraday. So yes, I just short sold now. So let's see how the stock will perform today. And today the market opening is in the bearish side. Yes, the market has opened like minus 0.17% down, and also Kotak Bank has touched some of resistance level, that is like key resistance level. Okay, and that's the reason why I am bearish on intraday for Kotak Bank today. So let's see how the stock will perform today. So I'm planning to take the target up to 5 or 6 points, and after that there are chances that the Kotak Bank can take support somewhere and go up. Okay, so according to today's market opening and according to the trend right now, the Kotak Bank does look bearish for me. So let's see how the stock will perform today. Okay, and also as you guys can see here, we are trading without any indicators, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. With my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, once you join us, you get everyday live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. You can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I have uploaded from almost 5 years plus on consistent basis. And if you guys wish to earn and learn from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me. Okay. So guys, it's been a while now, almost like 15 to 20 minutes of the market opening, and as you guys can see here, the Kotak Bank has made a low of 1721.35, and from there the stock is trying to go down here. So once that 1721 level breaks, we can expect more points towards the selling side. But if it goes above like 1726, then we can expect the stock to be bearish. But according to the study, the breakout has given in the downside now. So yes, our sell side is now performing well. So yes, it has made a new low of 1718.90 as you guys can see here. So let's just wait for the next few minutes and see if it can go further down. Somewhere around 1717, I'll just plan to take my exit by booking like 5 to 6 points. Okay, and if you guys wish to learn from me and want to get live market guidance from me like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to join us and to discuss with me and learn from me. So yes, the new low made is 1717 guys, so almost our target has been met here. So anyway, I'll just take my exit now and I'll update you guys about the trade. Okay, so 1717.15 is a new low, so let's wait if it can give that also a breakout on the lower side, or I'll just plan to take my exit somewhere over here. So guys, yes, I just took my exit by booking almost 5 to 6 points of target, and this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Kotak. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me and learn to be a profitable trader from today.